I can't imagine being a bus driver, man, especially if you were in tune with the kids that were getting on your bus, because so many kids are hurting and it just sucks. Sometimes I'll have conversations with my kids about the kids that are in their school and how they're acting up or being crazy, and the other kids, not my kids. And I just remind them, I'm like, the kids are acting up because they've got something that's going on in their life, something that we have no idea, that's really sucks probably, because my kids, they live in a very sheltered, comfy place, and I try my best to take care of them, but other people, they don't have that. And so we just have to have compassion for those who grow up in places that aren't quite as privileged as ours. It makes me think of like the RADS test, the childhood trauma thing that is affecting them for the rest of their lives. Like, if we could solve this one problem, like if we could make it so that young kids had safe places to be and were emotionally secure and didn't have trauma when they were a kid, it would like fix like all of society. It would be so much better if we could fix this one thing, but it's like an impossible problem. I honestly think about it all the time and it makes me really, really sad.